Hey, what's up developers, my name is Kohli and welcome back to Developers Compute. In this video we're going to go forward and complete Mizu. We left off previously on the home screen and we did some architecture design, but let's try to complete all of the screens that are left. So previously we have just made this home screen. I'm gonna test it out once more. As you can see, this is the water tracking amount that will shift the amount of water in the glacier. Let's try to decrease it to 200 and let's try to reload the preview here and let's do that. As you can see, the water level decreases in the glacier and we were successful while creating this glacier, and the home screen seems good. Let me show you the Figma file here and let's try to create one screen at a time. We'll try to create the onboarding screens, which are what is your name, what is your height, what is your weight, and how active you are. And I think so behind this is a composable, the glacier that we are using, so this shape is being used everywhere. One mistake that I've realized while making this composable, this particular shape, is that I've tried to use width as much as possible, but I haven't factored in the height. When the screen size decreases, the shape of the glacier won't change and it will make the glacier look bad for different screen sizes. So that's a problem that I need to fix, and I think so I will need to redraw this thing somewhere down the line. But for now, let's just make all of the screens. Let's try to make this onboarding screens. This is the onboarding screen that comes on first, which will be the splash screen, and once you open that splash screen, it will show you this what is your name, and from that what is your name, it will show you what is your height, what is your weight, and how active you are. And then we can actually calculate the BMI inside of a database and show you exact amount of water that you need to drink according to your daily activity. I've just made the background of the screen and I'm thinking of reusing one composable for 3 screens because they're almost the same. I shouldn't do that actually. In the future, if I want to change this screen, then I will need to make my own different screen. That's bad. I shouldn't do that. I'll make all these 3 screens differently. I've just connected my phone to this device to test the screen. As you can see, I've already made the screen and it kind of looks good. I have to change a little bit of its font weight here because everything is too bold. I don't want bold, I just want normal. Let me type something out. Let's navigate to a different screen and let's make one more onboarding screen this time and let's look back at it. So my onboarding screen that I was looking at is this onboarding screen and it's pretty much the same. There's some changes to it. So the screen is done, not the screen, the basic layout of the screen is done, and let's try to make the onboarding screen again. The onboarding screen for the weight has been made, and let's try to make another of the screens. So what is the height and what is the weight were the same screens. They weren't that different. The only thing that needed to change were the weight and the height variables or the text field. I made 3 onboarding screens here. The name, the height, and the weight. In the next video, we'll try to make this active and calculate the BMI and add the database and all of these things. For now, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.